Niggas are talking bitches by the front door, niggas are throwing chairs, everything was going down. 6,000. He got dirt, please, shit like that.
Jump ahead and slow, jump ahead and slow. Had to tell my bro, yeah, had to say the tone. Had to trim my diamonds, yeah, they smoking head and tone. About what you saying, so shut up, let me go. Riding in that beat, let me tell the truth. Ride around with these bust down weapons on me, I got my blinking stuff. Head number one up on these chart, yeah, it's still a one. All we do is just go number one. And I just brought it from ends, the best is the best of the month.
Alright guys, Pickle's gonna be taking over the vlog.
What's up guys? Today it's Pickle. I'm taking over the YouTube channel. Alright, what is going on guys? Today me and Ethan are gonna be wiring in a anti-lag switch into the RX7 over there. First we gotta go get a button for it to actually activate it at our trusty old shop, O'Reilly's or AutoZone. Probably O'Reilly's. Yeah, okay, yeah, not AutoZone, O'Reilly's. All these high quality buttons and switches.
Button acquired.
Alright guys, so we got the FD in the garage. It's soaking wet because it was literally pouring rain, but yeah, we just got to figure out where the clutch switch is, which I think we know. It's the top switch near the clutch, and then we got to figure out a place to wire it. You guys, so we decided that this middle one is the best because there's no button. So if we drill into it and take it out, we're not really hurting anything that you know,
because you care about that a lot. We want to install this now, so let's uninstall this.
You took out all the clips?
Yeah, I took out the clips.
Perfect, yeah.
I think you actually did that for me, like years ago.
A long time ago when I broke them all. Removed?
Removed.
We're using this big acorn tool because the button that we got is like absolutely massive, so
The button that Eric chose
I did choose
is absolutely massive.
I wanted it to like look really cool and be super flashy, so I chose the super large one. Not threaded,
The threaded collar.
Yeah. Dang, look at the new switch. Ooh, OEM. Dude, that's the OEM two-step switch that actually came from Mazda. Clips are all back in, so it should be pretty in there. That's in there. That's not moving at all.
I hate you, Eric. I hate
What do you mean?
This makes me so mad.
What? It's not that bad. All right, whatever.
Every single clip is like there isn't a single clip that isn't broken. That's crazy.
Yeah, who did that?
Hey guys, Eric's just over there. I wanted to give a quick idea, just understanding the quality of the under the pedal area in this car.
Okay, some of the panels were removed. Whatever. It's not. It just makes
That's the least of what I'm talking about right now,
Oh,
my guy.
Is there bad stuff under there?
Bro, what is this?
What?
There's like 20 wires just wrapped around this. Oh my goodness. Like, there's like a red wire zip tied to your steering column that's collapsed. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys. I'm about to show you guys the best part about an RX7. There's a, literally under the steering column, a ball sack cooler, or I guess a coochie cooler. If you're, if you're a woman.
If you're of the female persuasion.
Yes. Guys, this is my favorite part about all this wiring and everything like that. We get to put zip ties to tie them up. So we're gonna add the first zip ties underneath my dash. There's definitely not.
First ones.
There's definitely not a ton of them down there. I don't think my wiring's that bad, but you know, I guess everyone's a critic. Oh, there it is. The wired in clutch. All right, maybe my wiring under here. Now that I look at it one more time, maybe it's not the absolute cleanest, but you know, it works. All right, guys, so there's actually two clutch switches. There's the one that just is for like idle or something for the stock ECU, and then there's the one that's attached to the starter. So let's hope we did the right one and the car can start. So the poor idle is because the car's just
shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I guess simply put, yeah. Guys, first test of the two-step. See if it works. I'm gonna hit the button. I think it's working.
I think it's working. I can't tell.
It works?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah. Did that feel faster? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, that's like
it builds boost.
That was building boost. All right, guys. So the The anti-lag, the
Big
rolling
success.
anti-lag for sure works. The only issue is I can't choose. It's just at 5,000 RPM. So
it's not really tuned for it. We basically just hijacked Jeff's
clutch
flame
switch.
tune,
Flame.
which is basically all you wanted it for.
Yes.
You just wanted it to look cool.
Anti-lag. It does function. So we figured out that it builds like 8 pounds,
8
of
pounds
boost.
which is better than
Zero.
But I mean,
way better than zero.
You can hear that it's not as aggressive as it could be.
Yeah. If we were building full boost, like the full 14 pounds, that would actually kick us out.
Yeah.
Pickle. High five. Having an idling issue. If you guys haven't noticed with my RX7, it hasn't really been idling that well for the past month, and I'm pretty sure that the plugs are cooked. I don't know. I'm not a rotary expert, but what I can say is it's been like a good 1,500 miles since I replaced the plug, so time to put some new ones in. Hopefully it fixes
like
the
15
issue.
years for RX7 life too.
That's a long time. Everyone respect my super advanced engineering. This zip tie vacuum cap on my blow valve delete. Hey guys, I just removed the entire intake elbow because it took literally 10 seconds, not actually, it took like 5 minutes, and it just makes it so much easier to access the front rotor plugs, which was like really tight. So yes, look at all this room. All right guys, here's the plug off the front rotor. It's not looking too hot. It smells heavily of fuel and oil, so that's it's probably not a good sign. Just a quick side-by-side comparison of the two. Make sure the new washer's on there, new crush washer. Get it in there. All right, guys, just finished the spark plugs on the FD. Hold on, bro, my mechanic has done nothing today. Literally nothing. Look. What have you done? What have you done today?
Hey, she doesn't want to talk right now.
Bro, we're paying her.
She doesn't want
She's managing all the money.
Oh my God, what happened to Eric?
All right, guys, I hope this solves the idle issue. I mean, it's time to fire it up. Nope, that was most definitely not the issue. All right, guys, we're back at the house. I could not do pulls because there's literally a ton of crap back here that I want to clean up. I'm also gonna wash the car. I just need to kind of clean the car out. I haven't driven in a while. Oops, oh. I should call her. Guys, clean most of this up in the back. Still got to clean that out. Cleaned out most of this pocket. There's a ton of stuff rattling in here. All right, my car feels so much cleaner now. Look, there's way more room back here. It's just my hood prop stick thing, and finally can go drive it without things literally flying around everywhere in my car. Look, I even have this. All right, guys, time to do a quick little pull just to dry the car off. Just for good measure, I think I should do like one more just to get, there's still some water, so need more air drying. All right, guys, we're shooting a little behind the scenes of the Midnight Drivers Jackie. You guys probably saw in the beginning. I don't know, it probably will be attached to this video, but yeah, this is us going to the spot. Also, guys, Ethan doesn't have a Supra because his ECU, his map sensor fried, so he's getting it fixed from the ECU master, so that's why he doesn't have a Supra right now. Oh no, what happened? Oh God, did they call ahead? Did they know we were gonna be here? All right, we pulled up the spot. There's a guy filming us though. Look, it's just a guy with a bunch of cats. He was just filming us. The guy he just ran back inside the place, so, but like, he was literally playing with all of these cats. Bro, look how many cats. He was feeding the cats. He's like the cat man of the lot. I'm not sure. Bro, look. Come here. Pickle. Pickles, come back. There they are. I found them. Come back here. Guys, there he is.
I think we have to just do it. But we should just have to.
Oh, he's definitely gonna be mad about it.
We had to do it.
Look, he just shut the door angrily. All right, guys, there's a lot of smoke everywhere.
That's weird. I don't know who did that.
Yeah, who? All right, let's get out of here. Permit's expired. Oh my God, look, we're having a camera inception. Just kidding, I need to get out of the shot. Ethan pointed out, bro. What size nut is this? That's got to be at least like 2 inches. All right, Ethan's on the Kimball. We're gonna end PC walking around the cars.
Ethan's on the what?
All right, goodbye FD. We're retiring the FD. Oh my God, big ass bullet chain. We're taking the M3. I'm actually driving. Ethan's gonna film with the VHS for some rollers, some reels. So yeah, let's hope I know how to drive this thing. Oh hell no, bro! Griffin just got popped, bro. Bro, wait, let me focus. Look at Ethan, bro. He's literally right there. He's literally just sitting in front of the cops, just filming. I think they're pulling off. I think he turned the lights off, so that's a good sign. This is my reaction the whole time, bro. I was like, oh. All right, so what?
Yeah, so let me give you the play-by-play.
Play-by-play, what happened?
The cop pulled me over and he said, "Are there any weapons in the car?" And I said,
Big ass bullet
I said,
chain.
"You know there is." No, He got me because my plate is bent out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He actually came up to me and was kind of. He was actually super chill.
Okay.
But he's a little snarky. He came up to me and he's like, "You know, your plate's bent up." I was like, "Oh, it is?" He's like, "Yeah, so cops can't read it." And I was like,
side eye. Yeah. All right, guys. So basically, almost after getting arrested, we're gonna go on a nice twice. Oh yeah, he got pulled over twice. We're gonna nice, safe drive home, where I test the anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, and the 2-step button on my car. I'm gonna give the camera to Ethan so he can film me to instigate this these kind of actions. Yeah, Griffin's not gonna be happy, but it's okay. He'll get pulled over, not me. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. Let's hope we don't get the cops called.
You're misfiring, right? That's what's happening?
I think it's misfiring.
Shifting with my left hand and filming his degeneracy. I do not get paid enough for this.
All right, pretty successful night. I think we all did very legal things and nobody got arrested, so that was it's a win in my book. Yo, what's going on, guys? Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. Yeah, as you guys saw, did the spark plugs. Didn't really help with the idle, but we did get the anti-lag switch and our 2-step switch, whatever you want to call it. A lot of you may be asking why I put on a switch. It's easier to access just having it right there. It's also a lot more convenient not having it on the actual clutch itself. Before, I had to push in the clutch in order to activate it. That was annoying because when I wanted a downshift or a clutch kick or something like that, it would limit the revs to 5,000. So it wasn't really good for just normal driving. It's much better to have it on its own switch. So that way I can activate it by pushing a button. But yeah, if you guys saw in the beginning, we have a brand new intro. We have brand new hoodies dropping this Friday on our website. So I'm super excited for those. All the support's been really overwhelming. It's been great. So once again, guys, from the bottom of my heart, really appreciate it. And thanks for sticking to the end of the video once again. And I'll see you guys this Friday at the drop. Peace.